Carl, we
Yes.
don't have time for this foolishness. Get videoing.
Oh, I was doing the chicken dance. What? Make a movie called Dancing with Chickens? Okay, welcome to my home. I'm Chef Carl, the food whisperer. And today we're going to cut one chicken in spatchcock chicken. You can make it in the oven on your smoker or grill or whatever. Another one I'm going to show you how to use the road maps of cutting a chicken into eighths. So let's get this party rolling.
Chef Carl, food whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Now I have sanitizer here. 1, 2, 3 different kinds. Paper towels, soapy sanitizer, water. So to make a spatchcock chicken, first I trim off the butt. Alright, now these are heavy birds. These are almost 4-pounders. So you start with the butt down. You want to go either take the backbone out or go right down the back. There we go. Now, you see this? This is the keel bone. You want to pop that out. I call it a keel bone because it looks like the bottom of a ship. So anyway, now you got nothing in there. You just cut this. Oh crap! No. I'm going to put the chicken just like this in a pan. Spray it a little bit. A little garlic, granulated garlic. A little browning spice. A little olive oil. A little Himalayan salt. Himalayan pink salt, obviously it comes from Himalayans, and it doesn't have any chemicals in it. It's much better than regular salt. Do the side too. Okay, so what I'm doing is we season with garlic, granulated garlic. My rub, but you can use any kind of rub. This is my homemade. It's got cumin, chili powder, paprika, garlic, and so on. And so I'm going to put some of that on, both sides. And I know it seems like a lot, but once you rub it in, we're going to massage it in, do a massage. Let it make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. A little olive oil. Hi, Popeye. I know, it's bad. A little Himalayan salt. A little ground pepper. Again, your choice. And when you get done with all this thing, wipe off all your utensils, salt and pepper shakers because you're handling chicken. And these are almost 4-pound hens. And somebody asked me, I always cook with a hen weigh, and they say, what's a hen weigh? I said, about 2.5 pounds. So, I know. So that's one down. The other chicken I got, I'm going to show you how we're going to trim the hinder off. And again, you want to cut down the backbone or take the backbone out, either way. And then you pop it like this. And see this here? Again, this is your keel bone. It looks like the keel of a boat. Anyway, so all you have to do is split it in half now, because there's no bones in there. No bones about it. Then when you want to, where do I cut the separate? It tells you. See right there? That's where we're going to cut the separator. Then you also try to see where it hinges. Boom, chakalaka. And then following the road maps, as you see right here, that line, that's where you cut it. Right through, boom. And of course you can trim off any fat, save it for soup, save it for stock, and then trim off a little bit of the backbone. And so again, boom, boom, boom. Always keep trying to wipe up so you don't spread bacteria. And as I showed you earlier, I have all kind of sanitizer and stuff here in the sink and behind me because I break out from gloves. Same kind of seasoning. To rub. Don't rub me the wrong way. Tuck the wing in to make it look pretty, 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 pretty. Make it rain again. And we got a oven on now. It's preheated at 400 degrees. And this is going to take a little longer than a normal chicken, because these are almost 4-pound birds. Usually the chickens are about 2.5, 3 pounds. And of course, what did Popeye say? Where's olive oil? Well, it's right here. Don't be bashful. Don't be bashful. Okay, massage, 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 massage. And this is our legal massage, so I won't get arrested. Just watch when you're handling your meat, what's going on. Yeah, this is my meat, it's chicken. Get your mind out of the gutters. Alright, so I'll set the go. And I also, just for later on, made some roasted potatoes. They're not cooked yet. And some garlic. And I think we're good to go. So, you know, one pan of an 8 chicken we cut up. Very nice, pretty, pretty, pretty. Spatchcock chicken, it's beautiful. It's a thing of, it's a hot new thing out. And in the oven for about an hour. You have to check to, you hit 165 to 180 degrees in the thigh or thickest part, and then cover it and let it rest for a few minutes. Chicken's been in the oven for about an hour at 375 degrees with my convection on, and let's take a peek at it and see how it's doing. Yeah. Oh, that looks nice. This is a spatchcock chicken, and nice and juicy. I'll glaze it with a little of its juices. And the chicken I cut into 8s, but I also threw in some rosemary, potatoes, and garlic as just an addition, and that looks wonderful. We have a temperature about 180. You can see it's piping hot. Okay, and there we have a beautiful juicy spatchcock chicken. Nice, it was a nice and juicy, tender. You can see the smoke coming off it. We got the beautiful quarter-8 chicken that I cut in. And these were from chickens that are almost 4 pounds, so they took a little longer. If you have a smaller chicken, it goes faster. And if you have to, you can brown the grill, or you can cook it in the smoker. I'm just going to say, whoa, look at how juicy. Man, that George, you want a little piece? Oh, hot, 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 hot,
Hot, hot.
Oh, man, that's good looking. So, this is Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, YouTube, and I just want to thank you for coming to my house. And I want to thank the military and all the people out there working with this pandemic. I hope you enjoy us every other Saturday. Subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a comment. I love you. Keep watching, and goodbye.